Alright, starting out, you'll need a 10mm to remove this nut off the bottom of your brake lever. Use an Allen wrench to remove this. That brake cylinder freely spins, so you can just turn it around using a screwdriver to push the clamp off, and then it'll just pull out the other side. I actually ended up reusing this part because the new one was plastic and the one that came in it was metal. Alright, here pushing down all the way on the other side so the spring completely depresses, and then using my other finger to push that out. Alright, so what I did to press that out was I just took a C-clamp and a socket that was large enough to take the cylinder in it. It doesn't have an end on it, but you could use a skinnier socket if you had a C-clamp that had the flat piece on it, and just twist it out. Just push it all the way through. The end of my clamp is a little wide, so I probably should have used that socket also. For reinstalling that sleeve, I tried a couple different things. I tried beating on it with a block of wood, and I tried to use the clamp again to kind of press it in. But really, you could probably just beat it with a hammer and be done with it, which is what I end up doing. I was having a lot of trouble getting that little cylinder back in on the new lever, like way more than what I did when I took it off.